Hope you guys had a great week. So I've been asked a lot about how to stretch, how to get more flexible, how to improve my flexibility. When I say flexible, one of the first things people think about is those are required mainly your hamstrings. So today I'm going to share with you guys 10 stretches to improve your hamstring flexibility.
We're going to hold about 10 seconds for each stretch and repeat 3 times, either right after the exercise or after the whole thing. First stretch, we're going to roll down into a forward fold and pulse up and down for 10 times. Try to relax and lengthen. Come up for a breath, and we're going to go back down into a forward fold and alternate bending our knees for 8. Relax in your hips and use this to get a deeper stretch in the back of your knees. We're going to hold our right leg for 4 and left leg for 4. Next, we're going to step into a second position, then go down into a forward fold for 8, then hold each leg for 8. Now we're going to turn our hips facing the side while keeping the forward fold. And switch sides. Now we're going to switch to the other side, go down on one knee, extend the other leg in front of you, and fold forward. Keep your foot flexed for a better stretch. Now switch to the other leg. Now we're going to come up from the stretch to sit our hips down and fold forward. And switch to the other side. You can also take your leg out from under you and bring your knee to the side, whichever feels better. Now we're going to place both our legs in front of our bodies. You can either keep your feet flexed or pointed and fold forward. I know the stretch can be difficult for some of us, so just try to release any tension and breathe. Now we're going to lay down right where we're at, bring one leg up as high as you can, and we're going to hold our ankles to pull in for a stretch. Remember to keep your foot flexed if you want to get a better stretch. And switch sides. Try to keep your lower back pressed against the floor and extend the bottom leg out. Lastly, we're just going to go into the splits for a final stretch if you can. If you can't, it's totally okay, just do whatever stretch your body needs. And if it's too easy for you, you can always try the over splits, but I'm not going to go into it because it's a whole nother world for another day. One other stretch you can do if you have a bar, a table, or a chair is to just put your leg on it and fold forward. In all these stretches with one leg forward, try to keep both hips facing front and not let one in front of the other.
That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to go check out my other video about warm-ups. And don't forget to like and subscribe.